Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS track saw. This is the Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS plunge cut track saw, a premium precision cutting tool designed for professional woodworking and ultra-clean, accurate cuts using a guided rail system. At around $669, this is a high-end track saw. The price reflects its pro-grade build quality, precision engineering, and long-term durability, making it more of an investment tool than a casual DIY purchase. Plunge cut designed for starting cuts in the middle of a board safely and precisely. Includes 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail for perfectly straight cuts. Extremely high cutting accuracy with splinter-free edges, ideal for furniture and cabinetry. Variable depth control for full or partial depth cuts. Compatible with dust extraction systems for a cleaner workspace. Smooth, controlled operation thanks to precision engineering and soft start motor behavior. Designed for woodworking professionals, carpenters, and workshop-grade projects. Pros: exceptional cutting precision and clean edges. Very stable and smooth rail-guided operation. High build quality and long lifespan. Excellent dust control when paired with extractor. Cons: very expensive for casual users. Rail system takes setup space and learning time. Best value only if used frequently in serious woodworking. Number 4. Volution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit. This is the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit, a versatile cutting system designed to cut wood, plastic, and metal using a single powerful tool with a guided track. At around $180, this is a very budget-friendly track saw kit. It delivers multi-material cutting capability plus guide rail system, which is impressive for the price range and ideal for DIY users and light workshop use. Multi-material cutting, wood, plastic, mild steel, aluminum, and more. Comes with 40-inch track system for straight, controlled cuts. Includes TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade optimized for metal and wood. 7 1/4 inch blade provides strong cutting depth and versatility. Corded electric motor ensures consistent power, no battery drop-off. Capable of bevel cuts and angled cuts for more flexible projects. Integrated dust reduction design for cleaner cutting experience. Designed as an all-in-one solution for DIYers, builders, and home workshops. Pros: extremely affordable for a track saw system. Cuts multiple materials, wood plus metal plus plastic. Includes track and blade in the box. Strong cutting power for its price range. Cons: less precision and refinement compared to premium brands. Heavier and louder during operation. Track system not as smooth as high-end Festool-style setups. Not ideal for ultra-fine cabinetry work. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. This is the Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Track Saw Kit, a professional-grade precision saw designed for ultra-clean, straight cuts using a guided rail system. At around $668.71, it sits in the premium category. You're paying for high cutting precision, strong build quality, and reliable professional performance, making it a serious contractor-level investment. 6.5-inch plunge cut blade for precise entry cuts anywhere on the material. Includes 55-inch guide rail system for perfectly straight, splinter-free cutting. Smooth variable speed control for different materials and cutting conditions. Excellent depth adjustment system for controlled and accurate cutting depth. Strong corded motor performance for consistent power output. Designed specifically for fine woodworking, cabinetry, and site work. Comes with a stackable tool case, MacPack-style storage system, for portability and protection. High accuracy makes it ideal for finish carpentry and professional shop use. Pros: extremely accurate and smooth cutting performance. Excellent rail-guided stability. Strong, consistent motor power. Great build quality and long-term reliability. ideal for professional woodworking and cabinetry. Cons: expensive compared to mid-range alternatives. Wood-focused, not a multi-material cutter like some competitors. Requires setup time for rail alignment. Not the most beginner-friendly option. Number 2. Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2 LXT Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. This is the Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2 LXT 36V brushless cordless 6-1/2 plunge track saw kit, a high-performance cordless precision saw designed for professional-grade guided cutting. At around $779.35, this is a premium cordless track saw system. The higher price reflects cordless freedom, brushless efficiency, and pro-level cutting precision, making it ideal for job site mobility. 18VX2 36V brushless motor for strong, efficient cutting power. Cordless design gives full mobility without needing a power outlet. 6.5-inch blade designed for clean, controlled plunge cuts. Compatible with guide rail system, 39-inch rail sold separately, for straight, splinter-free cuts. Variable speed control for different materials and cutting conditions. Electric brake for faster blade stop and improved safety. Excellent for construction sites, cabinetry, and portable woodworking setups. High-efficiency brushless motor improves runtime and durability. Pros: true cordless freedom with strong 36V power system. Very precise plunge cutting with guide rail. Brushless motor equals longer life and better efficiency. Great for job site portability and remote work. Strong build quality typical of Makita professional tools. Cons: expensive, especially when adding guide rail separately. Rail not included in the box. Slightly heavier due to dual battery system. Not as refined smooth as Festool in ultrafine woodworking. Number 1. Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5 inches. Precision track saw. This is the Bosch GKT13-225L 6-1/2 precision track saw, a professional plunge cut saw designed for ultra-accurate, splinter-free guided cutting with a rail system. At around $719, it sits firmly in the premium professional category. You're paying for German engineering, high precision, and reliable job site durability, making it a serious competitor to Festool and Makita. 6.5-inch carbide blade for clean, durable cutting performance. Plunge cut mechanism allows starting cuts anywhere on the material. Compatible with guide rail system for perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts. Strong corded electric motor for consistent power output. Excellent cutline visibility and precision alignment design. Adjustable cut depth control for partial or full depth cuts. Built for professional woodworking, cabinetry, and site installation work. Includes a durable carrying case for transport and protection. Pros: very high cutting precision and smooth tracking. Strong and reliable professional grade build. Excellent compatibility with rail system. Great visibility and control during cutting. Solid alternative to Festool at slightly lower price. Cons: expensive compared to mid-range saws. Corded only, no cordless flexibility. Rail system still required for full precision use. Not as refined smooth as Festool in ultrafine finishing work. If you're considering a professional track saw, check the product link in the description for current deals and availability. And if you want more tool comparisons like this, like the video and subscribe for more woodworking and power tool reviews.